So hi everyone. Yesterday we seen about how to load data from on-premise to Snowflake, local machine to Snowflake using stages. Yesterday, so I explained about complete theory and practical. Okay, how we going to do the practical also I will explain, but we have not done practically. Okay, so today we're going to do the practically. So stages. Okay, so two types. Okay. So we have CSV file and target table. So in between, when we are loading data from STT Snowflake or local machine to Snowflake, so we going to use the stage. So it is the intermediate. It will hold the data temporarily. Okay. So stages are two types. Okay. So internal stages and then external stages. So what are the internal stages? Okay. User stage, then table stage, then named internal stages. Okay, these are the external stages. AWS 3 and Azure, bulk storage and GCP. These are external stages. So we're going to do today practically how we're going to load data user stage, from the table stage and named internal stage. Okay. So then both of you, Avinash and Praveen, share your screen. Okay. Then I will guide you and you can do it. Okay. You can share, both of you share your screen. So yesterday I given CSV files, download and put in one folder. Okay. Then we'll start to loading with three ways: user stage, table stage, and name internal stage. Are you sharing screen?
No, actually, joined in through mobile. Uh,
And Praveen, okay, Avinash. Praveen, you
yeah.
yesterday you attended the class, right? Okay. Share your screen, Praveen. Praveen, are you sharing? Are you sharing screen? Okay. So open Snowflake account. Open Snowflake account. Make a bookmark when you open the Snowflake account. Then no need to open every time Gmail. డోర్ క్లోజ్ చేయండి. దగ్గర పెట్టుకోండి. లైట్ ఆఫ్ చేయండి. లైట్ ఈ లైట్ కావాలి. శేఖర్ రాలే. Okay, open on worksheet. I'm taking the request access. Okay. So select any database. Okay, select schema also. So just open one more tab, Chrome tab. So first what we need to do, we need to install the SnowSQL. Type SnowSQL download. So first open the pub. I will take the remote control. Okay. So we need to open this site. Okay, it's loading. Okay, so here you can see the Snowflake for Windows. Click this link. It's going to download. Double click. Next. Next. Okay, so install. Wait for few seconds. Finish. Okay, so now here go to search CMD command prompt. Okay, here type snow SQL hyphen a. A means account identifier. Okay, so account identifier. Account identifier you can select from the URL. Wait a second. I will take control. To open this one browser Snowflake, open Snowflake. Click on that one. I'm unable to access it. Click on this one, this tab. Praveen, Praveen, click on this tab. Praveen, so after that, okay. So here we will get. Are you using mobile network, Praveen? Hello, hello, Praveen. So after that, we need to go to this profile, share your screen share. We can stop sharing private. You can stop here. Then you share your screen. Quick. It's taking time. Okay. Okay. So where is your Snowflake account? In this we have, right? Yeah. Give option. Yes. Yes. Okay. Continue. So sign in Snowflake account. Okay. 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 No problem. So. So this is your Snowflake account, right? Okay. This one. Okay. So then here we need to log into a get Snowflake account. We we can see create one worksheet. Okay, select any database. I'm selecting demo DB. Then here I'm creating. So create a schema. One stage schema I'm creating. Okay. So after that, is facing some issue. మీరు మ్యూట్ చేయండి ఇది ఆన్ ఇందులో చెప్పండి సారీ అది మ్యూట్ చేయండి ఇందులో వాట్ హ్యాపెన్ మీది మధుది చేసేయండి నో ప్రాబ్లం పక్కనే ఉంటాను సో జస్ట్ గో టు స్నో సీక్వెల్ డౌన్లోడ్ okay. Now we have just click and open the first link. Open it firstly. Something in the parcel so తీసుకో బయట వెయిటింగ్ చేస్తారు బయటకి వెళ్ళి బయట so Snowflake for Windows. It's downloading. So double click, run. Okay, going to start. Next, next. Wait for a few seconds. So give yes. Finish. Okay. So after just open CMD, type command here. CMD. Okay. Open command prompt. Then type SnowSQL hyphen A. A means account identifier. So then again go to Snowflake account. So account identifier from this you will get. Okay, from this you will get. Okay. So you can paste. So from this point, okay. So this one. So put So this is the account identifier. So from the URL you will get, okay, from the URL you will get, then go to here. So this account, from this also you will get your account identifier. So copy, okay, paper and password, right? So copy this account identifier, then go to command prompt, okay, again Saturday Sunday. So after entering you will, okay, so it will ask for username. So then username you will get, okay, from this you will get, this is a login name, from this one you will get username, or okay, just it's not too simple. So again you can go to, you can run this one, show users. So from this also you can say, you can see the username, okay, username. So in the real time, so we have multiple users. So this user is account admin. Okay, then again open the command prompt, password. So పేపర్ తీసుకొని రాయొచ్చు ఎక్కడన్నా, పేపర్ పాస్వర్డ్ రాయి, పాస్వర్డ్ అంటే తెలీదా, సీక్రెటా, ఎంటర్, సో ఎంటర్ ద పాస్వర్డ్, సింపుల్ గా పెట్టుకోవాలి. మీ నేమ్ ఎట్ ద రేట్ ఆఫ్ 7 digits, మొత్తం 14 ఉండాలి కదా. పాస్వర్డ్ మొత్తం పాస్వర్డ్ లేదా, సిస్టమ్, no problem, no problem. So we going to see Windows changes. No. We need to type the password. Let's check with copy and try to paste. So after pasting, give the enter. So it will show like this, type SQL statement help. Okay. No database, no schema is selected. Now no SQL version. So we want that, okay, 2.3. This is the version. So compute, we are in the, this is username, this is compute warehouse, no database, no schema is selected. So now what we need to, next step again, open the Snowflake. In tabs. Then click on sign in again. Okay. So we are in the DT demo DB. What I'm going to do, so use dt demo db. So enter, then use schema. Schema name, what is the schema name? Stage schema. Okay, the stage schema. Enter. So this is. So after that we can run the everything what we are doing in the Snowflake. So we can. As of now we don't have any tables. Okay. Suppose I'm running the show database. Okay. So then it will show all the database in the system what we have. See, DT demo DB. Okay. So like this we have everything. Okay. Role my DB. Okay. Like this we have. Okay. So what are the database we have in the Snowflake? So it's going to show the all databases. Snowflake Landing DB, Snowflake sample data, role Snowflake, role my DB, DD demo DB. Okay. These are so these class to none. So these are database. Okay, we can see everything from command prompt. Okay, what we are doing in Snowflake, so we can do. Okay, so what we're going to first we're going to load data using user stage. So how do we going to load data using user stage? So first we need to choose the file. See, yesterday we seen one thing, right? Okay, I will explain that one again. So there is one load option. Directly we can load the data. So here you can see the ingestion. So add data, load data into table. So browse. Okay. So I'm choosing this CSV2. Okay. No data is selected. Okay. And I'm selecting demo DB and I'm selecting the stage schema. Then okay. So after that, so we can create new table here, or by default, if you give any name, it's going to take the table. So I create the employee, click on next. So after that, we need to go with the select file format, CSV, okay, view options, okay, first line, skip the first line. So comma is the field limiter, okay. So these are trim the unnecessary spaces. So if there is any data, if you have any double quotes, it's going to remove those double quotes. Okay. Then we have date format, type format. Suppose we are receiving different date format, so we need to go with the this one type format. If we have data in the column, so it is going to give you okay create C1, C2, C3, 4 columns because of by default we have not created the table, right? By default going to take C1, C2, C3, C4. Now click on load. Okay. So this direction. Okay. So by default it's going to give like this. So now we can see the data. So this table we have. So this data. This is the loaded data. Okay. Yeah. By default. Suppose by default it is giving C1, C2, C3, C4 column. Suppose if you create the table already you have the if you have the table in Snowflake. So as per the requirement, you need to check the what are the columns we have in that CSV file. What is the data? So as per the requirement, columns and data type should be matched. If you can give anything column name, the data type should be matched. So create table. There you can select directly table. If you don't create the table by default, it will create one table. Okay, both ways you can do. Suppose see. I'm going to load one more data. So see. Okay, I'm going to load. Where is the data? Downloads. Downloads. With us. Stage. Stage. Okay. So here, suppose I'm going to load CSV data one. So as per we have ID, name, salary. Okay. So I need to create table. So create table. Okay, data. It's let us create ID. Okay, you can give anything, employee ID. Okay, int name. Okay, varchar. Okay, then salary, right? Okay. So number. Okay, you can give it. Data should be matched from that call CSV file. So if data is not matched, it's going to throw the error. So column names you can give anything. Okay, so now create table. So now again go to this add data, load data in table, select. So where we have created, we create this one CSV data one. So after that select database. So we have that table in the dt demo db, then stage schema, then again choose from here. Okay, this is the table we create. Choose. So if we don't choose, we can type the name. By default it will take the table. Okay, again select the file format csv. So here no header because of here in csv files, so we don't have the header, right? Directly we have the data, so no need to skip the first line here. No need to skip. Okay, leave it. Click on load. So generate SQL content. Okay, so we're going to open by default one more worksheet and it give like this. Uh, Usually this is the we created. Okay, you can do the tables. Okay, okay. We have these two tables. So this is how to load data from directly. Okay, so why I'm teaching this method means, suppose see, add data, load data in a table. So you say file size limit 250 MB, supported format CSV, JSON, RK, path. It means in this method direct load option, so we can load up to only 250 MB. If the CSV file size is more than 250 MB, we need to go with the internal stages. That's why we have user stage, name, table stage, named internal stage. Okay, now we're going to load data with the command prompt. So how are we going to load data? First of all, what we need to do, so select the file. So I'm going to load this new one, not new one. Okay, I'm going to load see. Okay, this one. See, so here I have employee ID, employee name, salary, department ID. Okay, so I need to create. First, we need to check the CSV file. So what are the columns we have? What are the data that we have? Okay, so we need to check that one. Okay, so you can create table in the command prompt, or you can create table in the Snowflake. So in both place, so we can do. Okay, see how it works. Go this one. It is okay. So if you want to go to, yes, click on three dots. Okay, set worksheet context. And you're going to keep selected database and schema. Okay, so then what we're going to do? So first of all, so we need to create a table. Oh, this is the our requirement. As per requirement only, we need to create a table. Okay, create table. So EMP. So then see, we have employee ID. So no need to give the column name. As it is EMP ID, you can give anything column name. But data type should be match data type. So EMP name, arca. Okay. So then salary. Okay. Or into department ID number. So this is the three. Okay. So table is created. Okay. So they will ask in intro how you create user stage and table stage. So by default, when you create table in the Snowflake, so it's going to create the user stage and table stage. So by manually, no need to create the user stage and table stage. So okay, by default, when you create the table, so this EMP table have the user stage and table. So are you going to check this user stage? Select $1, okay, $2. So from it's the rate of, okay, so tilde slash then table name. This is the user stage name instead of tilde. So it's going to show the data. So as of now, we don't have the data in this user stage. Okay, I created the user stage. Then next step, what is the I create the EMP table. Then this is the user stage name. Then again go to command prompt. Okay, so you put command to file colon slash slash. Then again go to this file where we have. So click on this one. Okay, so copy the path. Again go to command prompt. Okay, so paste here. Okay, paste the path. So give one more slash. Then again go to here. Okay, so this one. Click on. So copy and paste here. That's his file name. So dot txt. We need to give the extension. Then use data tilde slash emp. So this command going to put this file into the stage. This showing the error. Okay, this not be validated. Post name. So this usual error because of this is internet connection. So what I have connection using Wi-Fi, right? Okay, so it's not accepting the data, which is not accepting like AWS cloud services. So it's not taking the data. So the certification, this Wi-Fi going to create some new certification. So that is the issue. Okay. Stage. So that is not problem. Everyone we are using Wi-Fi, right? Stage, right? That yeah, that stage, customer stage, that one. Right place there. No, మనందరి దగ్గర సేమ్ వైఫై నా కనెక్షన్ కదా ఎవరు చేయదు ఈ వైఫై తోటి రావట్లేదు ట్రై చేస్తాను ఈ వైఫై తో రాదు సో పరమేశ్వరి స్క్రీన్ చేయమంటే అవినాష్ మీరు జేడే స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేస్తారా
No, Madhu. Not possible.
ప్రవీణ్ మీరు స్క్రీన్ చేస్తున్నారే ప్రాపర్ గా రెస్పాన్స్ ఇవ్వట్లేదు
హలో అన్నా నా వాయిస్ వినబడుతుందా ఫస్ట్
ఇప్పుడు వినబడుతుంది ఇంతమందికి మీరు మాట్లాడేది ఇది
నేను నాది వైఫై నాకు ఫుల్ నెట్ ఉంది బట్ నా వాయిస్ మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోలేదు కానీ మీరు పిలిచేది నాకు వినబడింది బట్ నేను షేర్ చేస్తున్నా మరొకసారి
సరే ఒకసారి రీజన్ అయ్యి షేర్ చెయ్యి ప్రాపర్ గా నాకు ఇంతకుముందు నీ వాయిస్ వినపడలేదు అందుకోసమే స్టాప్ షేర్ చేశాను నేను
అర్థమైంది
ఓకే ఇప్పుడు ఇది సేమ్ అది సింటాక్స్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఫైన్ మనకి ఏంటంటే అది నెట్వర్క్ ఇష్యూ ఓకే అది అమెజాన్ S3 బకెట్ క్లౌడ్ అనేది యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయట్లేదు డేటా
ఓకే
సో మీరు ఓన్లీ 2 minutes ఉంది మళ్ళీ రీజన్ అయ్యి ప్రవీణ్ స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయవా ఓకేనా
ఓకే ఓకే
ఓకే సో ఆప్షన్